Welcome to What If I Want to Break into Computer Science. If you're pursuing a career in computer science, you're probably wondering how to set yourself apart from the competition. One of the best ways to do that is by learning Linux. In today's video, we'll explore how mastering Linux can be a game changer for your career. Before we dive into the benefits, let's briefly discuss what Linux is. Linux is a free and open source operating system that's widely used in servers, desktops, and embedded systems. It's known for its stability, security, and flexibility. Linux comes in various distributions, or distros, such as Ubuntu, Fedora, or Kali Linux, each tailored to different needs. Understanding the core principles of Linux can open doors to countless opportunities in tech. Now that we know what Linux is, let's look at how it can benefit your career. Linux is everywhere. It's the backbone of the internet, powering most servers worldwide. It also plays a crucial role in cloud computing, cybersecurity, data science, and more. Many tech giants such as Google, Amazon, and Facebook rely heavily on Linux. Understanding Linux gives you an edge when working with these technologies and platforms. Wherever you're interested in web development, network administration, or data science, Linux skills are incredibly valuable. One of the greatest advantages of Linux is its open source nature. This means you can study, modify, and distribute the code, allowing you to understand how operating systems work under the hood. Working with Linux helps you develop a wide range of technical skills. You gain proficiency in command line operations, scripting, system administration, and more. The command line is a powerful tool that allows you to automate tasks, manage files, and troubleshoot issues effectively. Mastering these skills can significantly boost your productivity and effectiveness as a developer. Linux also introduces you to important concepts like permissions, process management, and networking, which are fundamental in many computer science roles. With Linux skills under your belt, a world of career opportunities opens up. Roles such as systems administrator, DevOps engineer, and cybersecurity analyst often require or prefer Linux proficiency. Many startups and enterprises seek candidates who can manage and optimize their Linux-based infrastructure. By showcasing your Linux expertise, you position yourself as a valuable asset in the tech industry. If you're passionate about tech and eager to make an impact, learning Linux is a strategic move that can accelerate your career growth. Learning Linux can provide you with important skills for the industry, from its open source community to the technical skills you'll gain. Linux is a crucial tool in any developer's toolkit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!